Tablet distribution process. Select the sanction order from the drop-down. Select the training center. Select the batch list. Click Search. You can see the batch list for tablet distribution. Distribute tablets to candidates. If the tablet distribution date column is empty, click the Edit option in the Action column. Select the date. Click Search. You will see the candidate list for tablet distribution. Select the candidate using the checkbox. Enter the tablet code. Enter the time of issue. Enter the time of return. Click Submit to save the data. Note: click Submit after entering details for each candidate. Once the PDF file is uploaded, the data cannot be modified. Repeat the same process until all candidates in the batch for the selected sanction order are completed. You can also view the number of candidates enrolled in the batch list for device tablet distribution.